Hey, inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners out there in El Paso, Texas. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bull Patents Law Firm. We're talking about our location here in El Paso, and I want to share with you 5 awesome resources right here in this great city for you to get started on your entrepreneurial journey. Now, as an inventor, as a technical founder, I know that can seem really lonely. And you're innovating, you're doing something that hopefully is first of its kind ever. So you can feel like you're kind of, at the front of the pack, right? Like the birds that fly in a V, you're at the front, breaking all the wind for all the others that'll follow you. But just know that there are other entrepreneurs, business owners, and inventors just like you that are also pursuing their own path. And there's a lot that can be gained by getting involved in some of these communities. So let me share with you some of these awesome places here in El Paso, which is well known here, of course, for biomedical research, cross-border commerce, and creative industries. So number 1 is the Medical Center of the Americas. This is MCA Innovation Center. They focus on nurturing biomedical and life science startups. They offer access to state-of-the-art laboratory facilities, mentorship from industry veterans, to huge, at the Cardwell Collaborative, a 60,000 square foot biomedical research facility. Check it out. 2 big startups that just came out of NCA are Circular Genomics, which develops circular RNA-based diagnostics for neurological diseases, and AUVIS Research, which focuses on innovative therapies for respiratory diseases and infections. Number 2, this is Pioneers 21. Pioneers 21 is a nonprofit business incubator located right in downtown El Paso. Now, incubators are those kind of for those just getting started that haven't really done business before, and it sort of shelters you from the wolves, if you will, out there in the world. And so El Paso right here is a nonprofit. It's Pioneers 21. It's downtown, and what's great is because it's a nonprofit. These are, ex-executives. These are volunteers. They're not seeking, financial gain from working with you. They want to feel good. It's a philanthropic effort, and so you can kind of trust them a bit more than you would someone else in the business world, knowing that their interests are truly gold. And so the mentorship, the business advice that they can offer to technical founders that don't have really experience with marketing, sales, legal, raising money, it's all here in this incubator. So check it out. There's lots of workshops you can go to learn about business, learn about AI, a lot of the digital tech world that's evolving so quickly. 2 big startups that came out of Pioneers 21 recently is Parabiac, which is a tool and conversion design for Flutter code, streamlining app development. And number 2, the second intern is Intern Bytes, provides a platform for connecting students with internship opportunities. All right, number three on top 5 here in El Paso is the Bridge Accelerator. It's a binational program combining Mexico and America. It's by the Technology Hub, and it's sort of a collaboration with Pioneers 21, which I just mentioned before. It aims to integrate local suppliers to this $39 billion regional supply chain. And it's a specific 12-week training program that'll help bring you up to speed with IT, data analytics, and business development. 2 startups that came out of there recently are Atlas Sensor Technologies. They are doing mostly environmental monitoring, and Tasker Logistics provides logistics solutions to supply chain operations. Okay, number 4 on my list is the Fab Lab El Paso. Fab Lab El Paso is a fabrication laboratory, as you probably guessed. It supports entrepreneurs in design, digital fabrication, and STEM education. They have tons of 3D printers, CNC machines, and laser cutters, lots of cool things. So one thing to mention here briefly for inventors, you want to make sure that you're protecting your intellectual property. And before you go, hire or work with a third party, including Fab Lab or any of these I've mentioned, you want to make sure you speak with a patent attorney to understand what your rights are and to file a patent application first before going out to the public, hiring others to work on it. And then also perhaps work closely with a business attorney to draft a nice contract so that if you do hire that third party to make something for you, you'll own all the IP that goes with it. So pump the brakes a little bit before you launch into one of these incubators or hire a fabricator or manufacturer. Talk with a patent attorney to make sure you understand your rights. The last one here is the Technology Hub in El Paso. It's located right in Ciudad Juarez with the Technology Hub. It's a binational incubator supporting tech startups, co-working space, fabrication lab, and they have startup weekends where you get to pitch to panels of investors, get that real Shark Tank feel, if you will, learn to talk and present and pitch your concept in a persuasive way. So Technology Hub is a fantastic place. Two notable startups that came out of there: Immersive Wisdom, that provides virtual reality collaboration platforms for enterprise solutions, and Zero B develops sustainable energy solutions for smart home tech. So like I said before, these are 5 awesome resources for you, the inventor, to go check out here in El Paso, Texas. Bold Patents stands ready to help you look at patent, right? Trademark, copyright, and trade secret, your areas of IP. Maybe before you go public, before you hire or step into one of these co-working spaces and present, you want to have a legal consultation with us so we can make sure we explain your rights, what you might want to file, either a provisional or non-provisional or design patent first, so you get patent pending status to protect yourself before you launch. So get a hold of us here at Bold Patents, get a free discovery call, and we're ready to help you. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney. Go big, go bold.